Real Maya channel. Today I am going to show you stuffed Karela or stuffed bitter gourd. This is my tulsi plant. I am growing it from seeds. It's not so easy to grow here, but I felt this is one of the successful method I found. And this is a paper roll in which I have filled up the soil. Ingredients: I have taken 8 Karelas or bitter gourd. I have peeled the skin, and I have soaked it with salt. The main ingredients for this is mango powder. So we get it in any Indian store. I have taken one spoon red chilli powder and half spoon salt, because I already added salt in Karela, so there is no measurement for that. I'll tell you why we don't need to measure it. And I have taken 1/4 cup chickpea powder, and we need 3 to 4 spoons oil. So I have already peeled the skin and I have taken out the inner portion. Like I gave a slit and taken out the inner portion, and have added salt to this, and I'm going to wash this. We also need the peel, which we already taken out, and even the seeds. So these, if they are hard, just take them off. This looks hard, so I'm going to take them off, but if they are tender, soft, then we can keep it. Wash these Karelas. I'm going to squeeze it. So I washed it for a couple of times. So we need to soak at least half an hour, but even 1 hour and 1.5 to 2 hours are also okay. So salt you can just put as much you like, because you wash it, then the salt goes off. My washed and squeezed Karela skin is ready. Now let's start the recipe. So let me start the stove. First thing goes in is the oil. So at least 3 spoons. So I'll be needing some extra oil, which I forgot to mention. 2 more spoons to the frying the Karela after stuff. So now goes in my Karela skin. Then goes in the spices. Roast it. After roasting half of it, then I'm going to add the chickpea powder. Keeping on low flame for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add chickpea flour, and I'm going to mix it well. Now it becomes nice powdery stuff, which is easy for peeling. So it's done. It should be powdery like this, and you need to get nice aroma of Besan or chickpea flour. Now we are going to turn off, then going to fill this stuff into the Karelas. So if you feel hot, like, you can keep it little bit aside so that it becomes warm, but for me it's okay for handling this. Just fill it up and press it nicely. You need to press it properly so that the masala will not fall out. So I have taken only 5 ingredients. My goal is to cut down the time, and even to memorize the items or ingredients. It should be easy, and cooking time and should be less. So my main goal is to reduce the cooking time and make it easy to memorize. Once I'm done with this, then I'm going to show you next step. So my goal is to use less pots so that it reduces our washing. So I'm just heating in same pot water and just trying to scrub it. So I'm going to throw away this water and wipe it off with tissue. It's almost clean, and then I'm going to add again 2 to 3 spoons. Depends on the oil how much you want. Like I would like to use less oil. Then just place your stuffed karelas. This part, the slit part, should be up so that masala doesn't fall down. That will help not to burn the karelas. Then I'm going to cover with the lid. After some time, just turn so that it gets cooked other side also. Then turning, we need to be little bit careful so that the powder inside should not fall outside. And at this point, I'm going to add little bit salt. I'm adding little bit salt. So when we add little extra salt from outside, then you don't have to really add more salt, because while cooking the salt taste reduces. So if you put it in ending, that will add up the taste and you don't feel like that there is less salt in it. I'm also adding hot water. This will speed up the cooking. I'm going to cover with the lid. This should be done on low to medium flame so that it doesn't get burnt. So if you are cooking some other like rice or anything else with this, then just put it on slow flame and do other things, and just set up a timer for 10 minutes or whatever you like, so that you can again check it up again. So this is one of the best Karela recipe, and it tastes very good and healthy too. So if somebody doesn't like Karela, just you should try this type. So taste. It's very tasty. You should share this recipe with your friends and family, because this is the one of the best recipe. I just love it. And if you like this recipe, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for notifications, and for full recipe look into the description box below. See you with next recipe. Until then, bye.